Hello and welcome to event 2 of the Colour Team Championship. This event is going to be the monster truck Flipout. So there's 8 monster trucks. So for the orange team we have the El Toro Loco against the grey silver team, which is Pirate's Curse. Then we have the green team, which has Grave Digger, and the gold yellow team, which is Team Hot Wheels. Then we have the red team, which has Spider-Man, against the white team, which is Captain America. And finally we have the purple blue team, which has Blue Thunder, and the black team, which has Son of a Digger. Now let's get racing! First one to flip will be out and the other one will go through. If 2 of them flip, we will find out who was the first one to flip. So go! Both of them flipped, but I don't know which one flipped first. Well, El Toro Loco won that one. Now it's Grave Digger against Team Hot Wheels. Go! Oh! Both of them flipped, but Grave Digger flipped first. And now we have Spider-Man against Captain America. It's the battle against the Avengers. Sorry about that. There was a notification, and that was from Splatterfrog, and it's unboxing video. So go! Oh, and Spider-Man won. And now the last race of round 1. Blue Thunder against Son of a Digger. So go! Oh! Both of them flipped at the same time. Well, Blue Thunder won that. Well, black team, you lost, you son of a digger. So these 4 are going to be fighting for 20, 15, 10 and 5 points, and these 4 will be fighting for 40, 35, 30 and 25 points. Now let's get to the losers round. Okay, so we have Pirate's Curse against Grave Digger. Go. Oh, and Grave Digger wins. And now we have the colour of the TV shows. The white team and the black team. So that's Captain America against Son of a Digger. So go! Oh yeah! Son of a Digger wins. Well, sorry Captain America. Your shield won't work. Sorry. Okay, so it's Captain America against Pirate's Curse, and they'll be fighting for 10 and 5 points. So go! Oh! Pirate's Curse flipped the first time, but now he's upright again. And now we have Grave Digger against Son of a Digger. We have 2 diggers in this one. Go! Oh, and Grave Digger gets to 20 points. Son of a Digger can actually get 15. Sorry, Son of a Digger. And now it's time for the winners. We have El Toro Loco against Team Hot Wheels. And we have Spider-Man against Blue Thunder. Okay, so we have Team Hot Wheels against El Toro Loco. Go! Oh! El Toro Loco flipped first. Team Hot Wheels wins. And finally, we have Blue Thunder against Spider-Man. Go! Oh, Blue Thunder flipped first, so Spider-Man wins. Time for the first losers. Time for the third place race. It's El Toro Loco against Blue Thunder. Go! Ooh! Blue Thunder wins. this is it. The final race. Spider-Man against Team Hot Wheels. Who will win? Let's find out. Go! No. Okay, so here are the points after event 2. Purple Blue is on 89 points. Red is on 71 points. Gold Yellow is on 42 points. He also jumped up 4 places from 7th to 3rd. And then Grey Silver is on 38 points. And he also slipped from 3rd to 4th. Orange is also on 38 points and just stayed in 4th, I think. Then Green is on 30 points. And I think he slipped 1 place from 5th to 6th. And then White is on 15. He also slipped 1 place from 6th to 7th. And then Black is also on 15 points. And that's it for this event of the Colour Team Championships. Stay tuned for the next one.